Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to have your best sensitivity settings in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, to do that, go to your practice mode on Call of Duty Mobile. Then once you're in a match, head to the settings icon, and in here, click sensitivity tab and toggle off link sensitivity with resolution and ADS button for rotation. Disabling this option can help you get a better grip on your aim while playing. Before tweaking your sensitivity, it is recommended to setting your camera's field of view to the highest possible setting. This will give you a better view of the screen. Adjust your camera sensitivity. While facing straight, try rotating the camera 180 degrees. Ideally, your screen should be able to face backward perfectly. If you're unable to rotate the camera completely or it overshoots the mark, you might need to adjust your sensitivity settings. And that's how to have your best sensitivity settings in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.